car that's standing on end, half buried in the ground, with a trunk full of explosives. Just another day at the office.
All right, this is freeway speed.
100 loads of binary explosive in the trunk, rear-end collision. In 3, 2, 1. Correct hit. That was a great hit. No explosion.
No explosion. And with the circumstances of the myth recreated exactly, all the...
I love my buddy. I haven't heard from him in a while. I hope he's doing very good. It's windy here in Missouri. Fucking trucks are all over the road. High power winds.
Yet at 90 degrees, the damning conclusion is quick to follow.
We wanted to create a crash at freeway speed. I think we did one better. Why? Because that car's buried into the ground. It had nowhere to go. That means it absorbed all the energy of the collision. Still, no explosion. This myth is busted.
Under normal circumstances, the myth is busted. But can the impact from a fender bender ever initiate an explosion under any circumstances? To find out, this story is getting supersized.
I think we need more speed. Some extreme speed. Well, we could make a rocket-powered car. I mean, that would give us a lot of speed. All right, road trip. I hope this works.
Having walked wonky, and swum squiggly, the myth that it's impossible to stay on the straight and narrow while blindfolded is looking good. But our dynamic duo are covering all of their bases and taking human locomotion out of the equation. Even with the aid of a machine, can you travel a straight line while sight deprived?
Some blindfolded driving. Should we get to it?
I think so. This test is really simple. Once again, we're going to use blinders and hearing suppression.